Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect ore in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see right here, I need to collect 12 ores to complete my daily mission or daily quest. And I'm going to show you how you can collect the ores. First of all, you just need to find the ore. You can follow this guide. Okay, and you need to prepare your pickaxe. Okay, right here. This is the ore, and then go to the tools, and you need to equip your pickaxe, and you just need to um, collect the ore like this. Okay, you just need to mine with the pickaxe, and I need to find another one to mine. Okay, after you mine the ore, you need to take rest. Okay, let's mine this ore. You can click on the pickaxe to mine. Okay, I've already completed the ore request. Okay guys, and that's how you can collect ores in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.